Hello, guys. Welcome back for another episode. This is episode 12. And as you know, it's pretty much the same parakeet, just in a different position. So, yeah, I have kept the similar settings. Nothing really extreme. I just try to make the bird as green as possible and to make it look less gray. But as I am editing, I'm noticing that the tree in the back is getting some weird, like turquoise kind of color. And the tree on the left has kind of like a purple highlights. But the parrot itself looks great. So I'm just putting the texture, saying that I am not overdoing it. Clarity, I like to reduce it because it gives some noise when I bring it up to a positive number. And yeah, it's a decently quick editing process, as I kind of already know the settings that I would need to pretty much use for this rose-ringed parakeet, as the only thing that makes it difficult is the different angles of the lighting. Like, as you could tell, the back of the parrot was pretty bright, and I did the best I could to bring back the green color that the sky was taking away from the parrot. And I really, really like the way it came out. As you know, I posted this on my shorts first, so you saw a small sneak peek on my shorts first. And I really like the way those eyes have so much focus. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what detail part I would like to keep. So I kept it on 87, and now I'm just testing the contrast. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, I'm not putting it to a positive number. The haze has its own thing. I'm not using it for this purpose. Just saying how I can make it more green. And that's about it. That's where I would like it. Yeah. Now we're gonna double check if everything's okay. So now we're going to the noise reduction for the color. Try to make it more smooth. Everything looks in focus except for the branches in the background. And look at those claws, man. Those are huge, huge claws. Very huge. Who would have thought that a parakeet would have such massive claws? And this is the final product. This is how I have finished it. And I really, really love the way I got those colors on its tail, the dark and the bright green.